Section 1 of Volume 1, A Popular History of France from the Earliest Times. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by J.C. Guan. Volume 1 of A Popular History of France from the Earliest Times by François Guizot. Translated by Robert Black. Chapter 1. Gaul. The Frenchman of today inhabits a country long ago civilized and Christianized, where, despite of much imperfection and much social misery, 38 millions of men live in security and peace, under laws equal for all and efficiently upheld. There is every reason to nourish great hopes of such a country, and to wish for it more and more of freedom, glory, and prosperity. But one must be just towards one's own times, and estimate at their true value advantages already acquired and progress already accomplished. If one were suddenly carried 20 or 30 centuries backward into the midst of that which was then called Gaul, one would not recognize France. The same mountains reared their heads, the same plains stretched far and wide, the same rivers rolled on their course. There is no alteration in the physical formation of the country, but its aspect was very different. Instead of the fields all trim with cultivation and all covered with various produce, one would see inaccessible morasses and vast forests, as yet uncleared, given up to the chances of primitive vegetation, peopled with wolves and bears, and even the urns, or huge wild ox, and with elks too, a kind of beast that one finds no longer nowadays, save in the colder regions of northeastern Europe, such as Lithuania and Courland. Then wandered over the Champagne